Morning from the whip, we rise with dust on our shoes, one day for ending with nothing to lose. As you leave the whip behind, your package may feel lighter or heavier. Both are fine, that's the way of pilgrimage. What matters is the way your spirit walks, steadier now, perhaps softer, with more space inside. The road awaits not as a challenge, but as a welcome. You are not finishing the journey, you are fulfilling it.
Dan gaan op jou knieën.
Oh my gat is te groot.
Nee, waar? Ek nie weer kom met juist te kom.
Wag, dit is kyk of
jou rug klap nie.
Jy kan regtig met leper.
Jy gaan kry. Dis op die klippe maak seer.
Ja. Jy sê maar so op jou kan deur.
Moet jy net die eerste keertjie afkom. Ek sê vir jou voet in my se. Ja, baie dankie.
Ons is deur.
Dis hy. Okay, gaan jy nou.
Wag nou, laat ek nou net eers uit.
Heidi. En nou,
val af. En so raak. Ja. Miskien moet jy op jou sterre deur gaan eers.
maar hierdie sakkie ook vir jou gee met my foon is. Ja. Sê jy right?
Ja.
My liggaam is lank en groot.
Jy het baie goed wat met hierdie gat kom. Dan sê jy kan op opstaan.
Dis ek deur.
Ja, jy is deur.
Hier's my stok.
En stap.
En die aanwysings.
Asseblief.
Wat nie vir gewerk nie.
Wat hier, Jan kan met die kamera sien tot by sy hek nie.
Is dit plat?
Ja.
Ja, jy's plat, jy kom. Dis reg,
Jy doen dit reg, jy doen dit reg.
Ja, sy. Oei. Julle ouens. Jy
The sacred stretch of 29.5 kilometers from the Hoop to Klein Doring form parts of the Karlitsdorp Camino, a journey of reflection, renewal and quiet aware. Pilgrims travel along gently undulating gravel roads and farm tracks, passing through a landscape shaped by time and silence. The road is well marked and walkable. Taut, sturdy shoes are recommended. While not overly stepped, the terrain can be dusty and uneven in places, especially after rains. Along the way, walkers are embarrassed by wide open skies and the earthy palette of the Klein Karoo, golden grasses, hardly succulents, and distant blue mountains, bird songs, and the soft crust of footsteps accompany the journey. Occasionally, pilgrims may spot antelope, tortoises, or the telltale track of a caracal. Dry river beds, windmills, and long acacia trees stand as markers of time. Small strangers, grains, or resting spots of moments, pauses, break, and reflect. This is more than a walk, it's a space of stillness. Many pilgrims speak of feeling a deep connection to the land, to themselves, and to something greater. The journey is not just about reaching Klein Doring, but about arriving changes. Blisters are badges earned with pride, prove that your shoes and soul both lied. This tranquil stretch offers a gentle walk through the heart of the Klein Karoo. The path meanders past ostrich farms, alfalfa fields, and open plains dotted with windmills. Keep an eye open for local wildlife and enjoy the expansive view of the Swartberg Mountains in the distance. Nestled on a working ostrich alfalfa and cattle farm, Le Plum offers luxury accommodation with Victorian elegance. Guests can unwind with spa treatments, relax by the saltwater pool, or savor traditional Karoo cuisine in the candlelight dining room. Le Plum is situated off the R328, approximately 12 kilometers from Oudtshoorn town centre. Its location offers easy access to local attractions such as the Kango Caves, Safari Ostrich Show Farm, and the Swartberg Pass. The staff made us feel like royalty, kind, professional, and with such a warm human touch. They truly made our quick hello say unforgettable. In spring, suitable bursts of color appear, hardly whirled flowers pushing up through the dust. In summer, the heat bends the light and the shadow grows long. Each season paints the Karoo differently, but always with a restrained and timeless beauty. This is a landscape that doesn't shout, it whispers. And in that silence, pilgrims often find clarity, presence, and peace. Tucked away in the quiet fastness of the Klein Karoo, Klein Doring Guesthouse offers more than just a place to rest. It offers a chance to breathe, reflect, and simply be. Set on a working Karoo farm, this off-grid, solar-powered retreat welcomes guests into a world of soft light, starry skies, and slow time. The self-catering cottages are thoughtfully designed, each with a comfortable bed, an open-air shower, a fireplace for chilly nights, and a shaded stoop where you can sit in silence or sip something warm as the light fades away. Here you're not just staying on a farm, you'll become part of the rhythm of the land. Whether you come with tired feet, a full heart, or unanswered questions, Klein Doring offers spaces for stillness, for peace, and for whatever you need most. After a long day on the road or the trail, there's nothing more welcome than a hot, home-cooked meal, and Willie's knows just how to feed a pilgrim's soul. With a bucket in one hand and a mission in the heart, this three-wheeled wonder zipped from cottage to cottage, kicking up Karoo dust and keeping things spotless. The scooter might be rattled, but it never dwelled, especially not when the tea is waiting at the end of the trail. She's a real boss of the farm roads, but tonight you're exactly where you need to be, between what was and what's almost become. Feet resting, heart full, eyes soft. Sleep well, pilgrim, the path will still be there at dawn.